Well, like I say, simple cooking with Braden Brand in our kitchen. Today we're going to do something very simple, but a lot of people ask about it. A lot of people want to know how I do it. So I'm going to show you. It's a very simple meal. You mostly have it with everything that you eat. Mostly everything anyway. So today I'm going to show you how to cook brown rice. Very simple. At first, I thought it was very simple. It wasn't very simple. It was a little bit hard because the first time my brown rice came out gooey. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to just make 1 cup because I don't want to mess up 2 cups of rice. So, I'm going to make 1 cup, 2 cups of water, and I'm going to put it in this rice pot. Okay, so this is my 2 cups of water. I'm going to pour it in the pot. And these new pots they have today, they level it off too. So it's 2 cups. I'm going to put it on the stove, add a dash of salt in it. I'm adding my dash of salt. If I can find the salt. Oh, here it is. So, I'm adding my dash of salt. I have it on high right now because I don't want to take too long to cook the rice. Because I'm cooking brown rice for my grandson. So I'm gonna dry the thing out. Now I'm gonna put 1 cup of brown rice. And the 1 cup goes right here. So, one cup of brown rice. So, I'm going to put the rice back up. And I'm going to add the rice to my water, put a lid on it, come back to it in a couple of minutes, see what it looks like. I'm going to put the burner on about 6. Maybe I'll put it on 8. I'll put it on 8 so it can get hot faster, and then I'll come back and drop it down to 6. Anyway, I normally cook with white rice because I love white rice. I don't know what it is about white rice. I've been eating all my life. And suddenly they start saying you need to eat everything brown. So I'm trying to go brown. Some days I don't make brown. Some days I keep it white. Anyway, I'm going to add a little teaspoon of butter to give it some type of flavor. And then I will come back to you. I already have his sausage, and I already have his little mini, he likes mini pancakes. So he's gonna have brown rice, sausage, smoked sausage, and he's gonna have mini pancakes. It sounds good, doesn't it? That sounds good. Anyway, I'll come right back to you.
Be strong.
You all, while we're waiting on the rice to come to a boil, I've been watching everything I eat because I'm trying to do green, but sometimes I get tired of green. Every single day, I have green salad, green spinach, I have broccoli, steamed broccoli, I have white rice, I have baked chicken, I have fried chicken, I have grilled chicken, I have Chick-fil-A chicken on a salad. While we're waiting for the rice to come to a boil, These are the benefits of eating brown rice. It helps in your cardiovascular health. It lowers your cholesterol levels. The antioxidants remove toxins out of your body. It promotes good bone health. It combats anxiety. And it improves in your digestion. Some things don't go with me. And so I have to pay attention to see if it was the cookies, if it was the ginger, what was it? One night I drank some green, it's boiling. One night I drank some green juice and I added some extras into it. The next morning I felt horrible, horrible. And I knew that's what it was. I had too much of it, or maybe I had too much green that week. I don't know, but that day I didn't eat anything green. Nothing. I still drink my water, because you have to drink water. Okay. Now we're going to leave it like this. Turn it down a little bit. This is how I produce my simple cooking segments. I always find a meal that we're going to eat that night, like I've already shown you how to steam broccoli. Now the next one, I think I showed you how to make broccoli cheese casserole. That was really good that day too. But eating raw broccoli in a salad, every once in a while I'll do that, but not that often though. Mine have to be steamed a little bit. And so I just try to bring some good eating content, simple eating content into my videos so that you can enjoy. Maybe you could think, maybe I will have some brown rice tonight over a piece of Salisbury steak or something, you know, and try the brown rice. And I'll let you know how well it come out. You're gonna see it. And then we'll see if it's okay, if it's not. Now let me show you some other things that brown rice can be cooked with. I'm gonna keep the lid on and try to let it come down a little bit more. Here's the rice. Oh, it looks good. And what I did was I turned it off and I left the lid on it. And now it looks so good. I got my brown rice. I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. And it is good and fluffy. Now I'm gonna add his little sausage with it and his little mini pancakes, and he's gonna have dinner. Yes, sometimes we do have mini pancakes with dinner. Join me next week, next Wednesday or Thursday. I'm gonna cook turnips with cauliflower. And I'm gonna have me a little cornbread with it. And again, something green. Yes, you know, you gotta have something green. Anyway, hey, have a good night. I thank you for joining. I'm so glad you came to Simple Cooking with Braden Brand, from our house to yours.